Dear friends, in class 7 we have ninth lesson rational numbers and we are solving the problems from exercise 9.1. We have second question. Write four more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. Now see, the first pattern is negative 3 upon 5, negative 6 upon 10, negative 9 upon 15, negative 12 upon 20. Please note, these are all equivalent fractions. This is first fraction, negative 3 upon 5. If you multiply it by 2, you will get, if you multiply numerator and denominator both by 2, you will get negative 6 upon 10. In the same way, if you multiply the first fraction by 3, you will get 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. Please note, numerator and denominator are multiplied by the same number and hence these are all equivalent fractions or equivalent rational numbers. So please note, here first is obtained by multiplying by 2, second is obtained by multiplying by 3, fourth is obtained by multiplying by 4 and the next will be obtained by multiplying by 5. So this is equal to 3 5s are 15 upon 5 5s are 25. Then next can be obtained by multiplying by 6. You will get negative 6 3s are 18 upon negative 6 5s are 30. Next can be obtained by multiplying by 7. You will get negative 21 upon negative 35. Then next can be obtained by multiplying by 8. You will get negative 24 upon 40. Please note, the numerators are multipliers of 3, or you can say it is a table of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 24, and it can be written next as 27, 30 in the same way. Please note, numerators are negative, denominators are in the table of 5. Denominators are in the table of 5. You will see the numbers are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So in the same way you can obtain many more numbers. Next is 1 upon 4, negative 1 upon 4, negative 2 upon 8, negative 3 upon 12. Please note, they are again the multipliers of 1 upon 4. Second is obtained by multiplying by 2. The next rational number is obtained by multiplying by 3. They are all equivalent rational numbers. So the next can be obtained by multiplying by 4. You will get negative 4 upon 16. Next can be obtained by multiplying by 5. You will get negative 5 upon 20. Next can be obtained by multiplying by 6. You will get negative 6 upon 24. Next can be obtained by multiplying by 7. Negative 7 upon 28. Next can be obtained by multiplying by 8. Negative 8 upon 32. Next can be obtained by multiplying by 9. You will get negative 9 upon 36. Last, one more can be obtained by multiplying by 10. You will get negative 10 upon 40. Any four. Next four are these. Even if more are asked, still you can write many more. Now see, the next pattern we see the first fraction or first rational number is negative 1 upon 6. Second is 2 upon negative 12, 3 upon negative 18, 4 upon negative 24. These are also equivalent fraction, only the negative sign is written in front of the denominator. So please note, numerators are 1, 2, 3, 4. So they can be written as, next can be written as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Or if you multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number, we will get the denominators. So here numerator is multiplied by 5, so denominator must also be multiplied by 5. You will get 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. But please note, sign is given in front of the denominator, so they will be something like this. Please note, the first number can be obtained by multiplying by 5 to the numerator and denominator. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 sixes are 30. Negative sign is written in front of the denominator. The next can be obtained by multiplying by 6. So 6 ones are 6 and denominator can be obtained by multiplying by 6. You will get 6 sixes are 36. Next can be obtained by multiplying by 7. You will get 7 ones are 7 and 6 sevens are 42. Next can be obtained by multiplying by 8. 8 ones are 8 and 6 8s are 48. Please note, signs are given in front of the denominator. They are all equivalent rational numbers. Next, fourth question is negative 2 upon 3. Please note, these two are same. Only sign is written in front of the denominator. The next is obtained by multiplying by 2. Next is obtained by multiplying by 3. So, the next will be obtained by multiplying by 4. So, you will get 8 upon negative 12. So, please note this is the table of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and many more can be written. Denominators are in the table of 3. So, you will say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Please note, negative sign is given in front of the denominator. Or you can see the next fraction can be obtained by multiplying by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. The next is obtained by multiplying by 5. 5 2s are 10, 3 5s are 15. The next is obtained by multiplying by 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Next is obtained by multiplying by 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. And the signs are for the denominators. So these are all equivalent fractions. Dear friends, we have next question, third question from the exercise 9.1. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to. First is negative 2 upon 7. Please note, we have already studied. To obtain the equivalent fraction, we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. So, if you multiply numerator and denominator by same number, we will get an equivalent fraction. So, if this 2 upon 7 is multiplied by 2, we will get negative 4 upon 14. Please note, it is multiplied by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 7 2s are 14. So if you are multiplying by same number, we get an equivalent fraction. If the same is multiplied by 3, we will get negative 3 2s are 6 upon 7 3s are 21. If you multiply this again by 4, you will get negative 8 upon negative 28. If you multiply by 5, we will get negative 10 upon negative 35. It is not necessary that you multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5 in the sequence. Even if you multiply by 100, still it will be an equivalent fraction. So if you multiply by 100, you will get negative 200 upon negative 700. So this is also an equivalent fraction. You can multiply by any number, but please note, numerator and denominator must be multiplied by the same number. If you multiply numerator and denominator by the same number, we get equivalent rational numbers. So here is 5 upon negative 3. If this is multiplied by 2, you will get negative 10 upon negative 6. If it is multiplied by 3, we will get 15 upon negative 9. If it is multiplied by 4, we will get 4. 5 4s are 20, 3 4s are 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12. If you multiply by 5, we will get 25 upon negative 15. So please note, we have multiplied both numerator and denominator by same number. To get this, we have multiplied by 2. To get this, we have multiplied by 3, the original fraction. To get this, we have multiplied by 4 to both numerator and denominator, and to get the next fraction, we have multiplied by multiplied by 5 to the numerator and denominator. Please note, I have already told you that it is not necessary that you multiply in the sequence. Even if you multiply by 100, even if you multiply by 50, still we will get an equivalent fraction. So if this is multiplied by 50, we will get 250 upon negative 150. So this is also an equivalent fraction. Please note, numerator and denominator both must be multiplied by the same number to get an equivalent fraction. Next is 4 upon 9. So this is equal to 8 upon, if you multiply by 2, we will get 8 upon 18. If you multiply by 3, you will get 12 upon 27. If you multiply by 4, you will get 16 upon 36. If you multiply by 5, we will get 20 upon 45. Even if you multiply by 10, we will get 40 upon 90. This is also an equivalent fraction. Please note, numerator and denominator both must be multiplied by the same number to get equivalent rational number.